Hello, language learners. Would you like to feel more confident speaking English when you talk to people? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm Professor English. I'm excited to help you improve your English communication skills. We will begin with listening exercises. I will play a short conversation. Listen carefully.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Now let's repeat together.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Now repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, thanks. Let's try another one.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now let's repeat together.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Repeat after me. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. Next, let's practice speaking. I will play the role of a friend and you respond to me. Hi, my name is Professor English. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Great job. Let's try another one. Can you help me with this? Thank you so much. Excellent. Here are some tips to help you improve. Watch English movies and TV shows with subtitles. This helps you understand and learn new vocabulary. Practice speaking with native speakers. Engage in conversations. It's a great way to learn the nuances of the language. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. This allows you to hear areas where you can improve. Now it's your turn for some fun practice. We're going to play a game called Dialogue Builders. This is a great way to practice speaking with me. Here's how it works. Dialogue. Prompts. I'll give you some questions to start a conversation. After each question, I'll pause so you can answer out loud. Responding. When I ask a question, just answer as if we are talking together. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just try your best. Switching roles. After a few questions, I'll let you ask me questions based on what I say. This will help you practice both sides of a conversation. Let's get started. Prompt 1. What do you like to do in your free time? You can say, I like to watch movies. What do you like to do in your free time? That sounds fun. I enjoy reading. What is your favorite book? You can say, my favorite book is Harry Potter. What is your favorite book? Great choice. I would love to hear more about that. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go? You can say, I would go to Japan. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go? That sounds wonderful. What would you do there? You can say, I would visit the temples and eat sushi. What would you do there? Fantastic! Traveling is a great way to learn new things. Now it's your turn to ask me questions. What is your favorite hobby? You can say, I like to play soccer, or I enjoy cooking. Wow, that sounds great. My favorite hobby is painting. It's fun to create pictures. Now, I'd love for you to come up with another question. Post it in the comments below. You can ask about my hobbies or something else you're curious about. Let's end with a fun quiz to check your listening and speaking skills. I'll say a sentence, and I want you to repeat it after me. Take your time and focus on how you say the words. Ready? Here we go. Example 1. I enjoy playing soccer. Great! Now let's try. I love hiking in the mountains. Excellent! Next, let's say, I like to cook different meals. Fantastic! You're doing great. Now, let's make it more challenging. I will give you a sentence, and you can change it a little. For example, if I say, I enjoy playing soccer, you can say, I enjoy playing basketball, or I love watching soccer. Let's try this. I like to swim in the ocean. Awesome. Now try this one. I enjoy listening to music. Change it to something different. Perfect. Finally, let's try. I love to explore new cities. You can change that sentence too. Fantastic work. You're really improving. Remember, this practice helps you get better at speaking and learning new words. You can keep practicing these sentences on your own or with a friend. Great job today! I'm really proud of how much you're learning. Keep up the great work with your listening and speaking skills. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below about today's lesson. What did you find helpful? And don't forget to ask your question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any lessons. I can't wait to see you next time. Keep practicing and have a wonderful day.